Thank you very much.
Without objection.
Thank you. Mr. President, I am so pleased today to rise to speak about two incredibly competent women who are going to be coming before us for votes for the Michigan Federal District Bench a little bit later today. First of all, I rise in support of the nomination of Judge Shalina Kumar to be the U.S. District Court Judge for the Eastern District of Michigan. During her nomination hearing, Judge Kumar spoke about her father, Dr. Krishna Kumar, who moved to the United States from India. Dr. Kumar taught all of his children to believe in themselves and that they could be anything if they put their minds to it. And that's just what Shalina Kumar has done. She was born in Royal Oak, Michigan, received her undergraduate degree from the University of Michigan, and graduated from the University of Detroit Mercy School of Law. She spent a decade in private practice before being appointed by Governor Jennifer Granholm to the Oakland County Sixth Circuit Court in 2007. She's since been elected by Michigan voters, and since January 2018, Judge Kumar has served as the chief judge of the circuit court. During her time as a judge, Judge Kumar has presided over more than 10,500 cases. And she has served as presiding judge of the Adult Treatment Court, which allows people to avoid jail time by getting mental health treatment, help with employment, and education, which is so important. During her nomination hearing, Judge Kumar talked about the amazing transformation she sees in people and how grateful they are for the opportunity to contribute to society. She has also served as the chairperson of the Oakland County Criminal Assignment Committee, a member of the Michigan State Bar Professionalism Committee, and a member of the Executive Committee of the Michigan Judges Association. If confirmed, Judge Kumar would be the first federal judge of South Asian descent in Michigan. And there's no doubt that her father and her home state of Michigan will be very, very proud. I enthusiastically support this nomination and hope that my colleagues will do the same. Secondly, I rise also to give strong support as well for the nomination of Judge Jane Beckering to be U.S. District Court Judge for the Western District of Michigan. I can think of few people more qualified or more respected and more ready to serve the people of Michigan in this new role. Jane Beckering is a native of West Michigan. She attended the University of Michigan and then the University of Wisconsin in order to carry on her family's legacy. Both her father and her grandfather were trial lawyers, two of the world's finest, according to Judge Beckering. They believed that America's system of justice was the best in the world. And they taught Judge Beckering that civility, integrity, and respect for others are the trademarks of the legal profession. Judge Beckering has spent her career upholding these ideals. During her more than 3 decades of legal experience, she has presided over and issued an opinion on more than 4,000 cases. Since 2007, she has served as a judge on the Michigan Court of Appeals, pro tempore of the court. She was first appointed to the court by then Governor Jennifer Granholm and later elected by the people of Michigan. Before that, Judge Beckering was a trial attorney in Grand Rapids, and she has been actively involved in the West Michigan legal community. She has a broad range of experience in a wide range of cases, including multi-state commercial litigation and product liability, personal injury, and wrongful death cases. For all of these reasons, Judge Beckering was strongly supported by the Western District Judicial Nominations Advisory Committee. She was unanimously rated well qualified by the American Bar Association, and she received bipartisan support in the Senate Judiciary Committee. She's just the type of person we need in the federal judiciary, and I am eager for her to begin her new role. I wholeheartedly support this nomination and encourage my colleagues to do the same. Both Judge Kumar and Judge Beckering are extremely qualified and competent judicial nominations that are in front of us today. And I hope everyone will be supporting them as strongly as I am. And I know people in Michigan are very, very proud of both of them. Thank you, Mr. President. And I will lead, if I see other colleagues here, I will yield the floor and suggest the absence of a quorum.